So, Lauren, it's time for us to do Lauren and Paul's travel tips.
Yeah. Boy, do we have travel tips for you.
While we are here in Barcelona, actually in Tarragona, Spain.
Right. Which is beautiful.
We've been doing the preview on the spectacular new Volvo V60.
Yes.
We're pretty hardened road warriors. I mean,
Yeah.
we are on the road.
We've been everywhere.
Every week. We've been on 4 continents together. And we learned a lesson today.
Oh, did we learn a lesson today?
And we thought, you know, as hard as somebody might poo-poo, tish-tish, locking the car, as I often do with you.
Well, we do lock the car.
Yeah, I know, but I always give you 369s about that. And I always go, Lauren, we're going into a 7-Eleven for a Coke, come on. So here's what happened today.
It's unbelievable. You got to stay for the whole story.
We decided that we were going to stop and use a rest stop for a rest stop, and also get a quick coffee.
Right.
So we did that, and
we weren't there long. You know,
no,
you do your shtick, you
we
have
were
your
not
coffee.
There long. The problem is that even with you locking the car 3 times,
I have this whole thing, probably like a lot of you. You hit the remote a whole bunch of times. Yep.
we came out, and the car had been broken into.
And everything was gone.
Lauren's purse was gone. My briefcase was gone. Our passports were gone.
Yeah.
Your wallet was gone.
Yeah, I had 1 credit card and my global entry. The rest, everything was gone. I mean, literally, my eyeglasses, my sunglasses, your sunglasses, your iPad, your
phone, connectors,
everything.
Microphones, everything.
Unbelievable. And it's really upsetting when it happens. If you've ever had that happen.
We got back to the hotel, called the police, came back here to the hotel, and the people from Volvo were extremely
fabulous. And American Express Travel as well was
extremely
fabulous.
helpful in helping us. So they took us to the American Consulate here in
That was an experience.
In Barcelona. They too were incredibly helpful.
And very kind, very kind.
Way to go, Secretary of State Pompeo.
Yes.
Good crew in Barcelona.
Right, the security, the people.
Everybody was
nice. They were
understanding.
Apologetic. Not that it was their fault, but it was really nice.
Yeah. So we came back to the hotel, shot some video with the crew from Volvo.
Because we're here on Volvo's time.
And we were on our way back to the police station to file a report, finish the story.
And while we're on our way there, the lady from American Express Travel, who speaks not just Spanish and other languages, she speaks Catalan, which is what they speak here in Barcelona, or Barcelona, as they say.
Because the king had a problem.
The king had a lisp, a lateral lisp. And she was going to the local police station here where we're staying, and they said...
We're not staying at the police station.
No. And the local station
how much
said...
they wanted us to.
She was calling in advance to know we had 2 Americans, they had stuff stolen, we went to the consulate, we got temporary passports, and along the process they said, 2 Americans? We just found 2 bags from 2 Americans, and she couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
But it was at a different police station. So we went to a different police station, and we walk in, and there is your bag, and my purse is jammed inside, and everything's mishmash. Of course, we go to look to see what's missing. And what was missing from your bag?
My sunglasses.
You lost a pair of Maui Jims and another pair of sunglasses.
Yeah.
I lost an expensive pair of prescription sunglasses, my Porsche design readers, and the funny thing, 2...
She's even branded.
I'm laughing.
Listen to her branded.
I love my
Porsche
products.
designs.
Well, they're not cheap, so I'm kind of peeved. They took a necklace I had and all my cash, which was, of course, what they probably were looking for, and 2 5-hour energies, which I find hysterical.
I was insulted that they didn't think enough of my gear to steal it.
Maybe you don't like the Brandon stuff, Mr. Brandon.
Maybe I don't.
Maybe that's the secret.
So anyway,
Don't use
the
Brandon
story is be careful when you're on the road.
Anywhere.
Especially, please take a picture of your passport.
Yes.
Keep it in your iPhone. Keep it so that somebody can send you a picture of it if they need to email it.
My husband had that, thank God.
Do basic stuff like that.
And know what's in your bag. The hardest part was what was in my purse.
Trying to reconstruct.
And I'm thinking in my head, when I loaded my bag to go, what did I put in? And I was wrong on one important thing when we went back and looked, something they didn't take. My quick bank card to get money out of the bank, my debit card. They could have had a party. And they had enough information they could have opened a mortgage.
Yeah, but they didn't know your PIN.
Still, if you've got an insider, and this has happened to friends of mine, I'm sure it's happened to friends of yours, if you've got someone's passport, you've got someone's driver's
Yeah.
license, and you have their credit card, that's 3 forms of ID, you can open a mortgage, you can do a lot of damage
But
to
they
somebody.
didn't know your mother's maiden name.
Get on the
see.
internet, you can probably find
So
everybody's
anyway,
information.
take some precautions.
We learned. It was a painful lesson.
We learned for as much as we're on the road,
There's a lot
as
of
much
panic.
as we think we're Mr. Smarty Pants and Miss Smarty Pants along
Yeah.
with me.
We were humbled.
We had our butts handed to us today by a couple of ne'er-do-wells on the interstate.
Right,
This
and-
isn't really an interstate.
Well, and good karma to the person who
Yeah.
kindly returned the bag they found on the side of the road with all of our stuff jammed inside to the police station. That's what a good Samaritan should do.
Absolutely. So anyway, that's our travel story du jour.
Yeah, if you got your
From-
story, please put it down below because everyone's got these stories
I
with things.
know.
I've had cars stolen, and that's bad too. But this is in another country; it's a whole other animal.
So from Tarragona, Spain, and next week from Portugal. Boy, are we going to have a different attitude next
Oh
week.
yes, I'm carrying a lot less stuff.
So that's it. Please follow us. You know how to get us
And-
on all forms of social media.
And check out the review of the Volvo V60 wagon, which we'll be having coming out, and all the other fun stuff that we do. Because boy, do we have some interesting times.
we do.
Yes, we do.
We do. So for my little sis that I never had,
And the brother that I wish I had.
so long from Spain.
Take care.